How to change profile picture in T3 Arena. Hi everybody, welcome back to Tech for Gamers, and in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily change your profile picture or your avatar in T3 Arena game. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First, launch open T3 Arena game on your device and make sure you are in this lobby screen. Once you're in the lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar, and this will open up the player info section. Click the three dots at the top right corner from the player info page and click on Change Portrait. Now, select a different avatar you want to change to. Some of the avatars out there will unlock after completing a certain level or trophies. Select the avatar you'd like to use and click on Equip. After you do that, you will be able to change your profile avatar or your profile picture in T3 Arenas just like that. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your avatar in T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.